The city is covered in smog! Look! The Smog Monster has arrived! The eco-warriors are here to save the day!
With the power of the sun, we can clear the air.
The Smog Monster is gone! Hooray!
Air is clean and everyone can breathe happily. Clean air is everyone's right. Let's protect it together.